Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are good and fantastic at your place. My dear students, today in our English class, we are going to revise capital letters. Capital letters from letter A to U, and we will also revise the topic match the capital letter with small letter. Firstly, we will start our class with capital letters and then later on we will revise the concept match the capital letter with small letters. Let's start. A sound a apple. For A we will use a slanting line, one more slanting line and then a slipping line in the mid. A B ball. For letter B, we will use a standing line, then a curve, one more curve. B. Our next letter is C. Cat. We will use a curve for letter C like this. D. The dog. We will use a standing line, then a little curve like this. D. E sound a elephant. For letter E, we will use a standing line, then a slipping line, second slipping line in the mid, then a third slipping line in the last. E. Elephant. F for fish. For letter F, we will use a standing line, then a slipping line, then one more slipping line. F for G sound G, grapes. For letter G, we will use a curve like this, then a slipping line, then a standing line to join this curve. H. Hen. We will use a standing line, then one more standing line and then a slipping line in the mid to join these standing lines. Letter I. I sound igloo. For I, we will use a standing line. J. Jug. Standing line we will use and then little curve like this. J. Letter K. Kangaroo. We will use a standing line like this, then a slanting line, one more slanting line. Yes, like this. It's a letter K. Letter L. Loin. We will use a standing line, then a slipping line we will use for letter L. Next letter is letter M. Moon. We will use a standing line, then a slanting line, one more slanting line. Yes. Then a standing line. Again moon. Letter N. Nest. We will use a standing line, then a slanting line, one more standing line to join the slanting line. N. Letter O. O sound O. Owl. For letter O, we will use a circle like this. Letter O. P. P sound parrot. We will use a standing line, then a little curve like this. P. Next letter is Q. Queen. For letter Q, circle. First of all we will draw, then make a slanting line. Letter R. R. Rainbow. Standing line. Then a little curve like this. Then a slanting line. Less. Yes. R. For letter S, we will use a sound sun curve. One more curve to draw letter S like this. Next letter is letter T. Tree. We will use a standing line, then a slipping line on the top. T. Next letter is letter U. A umbrella. For a, we will use a standing line, a little curve like this, then more standing line U. We will match capital letter with their corresponding small letter. So, our first letter here is letter C. K. So, just you have to find out the small case letter. So, first letter is C. Find out small case letter C. Yes, here is it. Now, what we will do? We will match capital letter C with small case letter C. Our next letter is letter F. F sound F. F sound F. So, we will find F in this row. Yes. Here is it. So, we will match capital letter F with small case letter F. Okay, our next letter is letter I. I sound E. I sound E. Now, we will find small case letter I. Yes, here is it. So, match this I with lowercase letter I. Okay. Our next letter is letter. Which letter is this? Yes, L. L sound L. L sound L. Now find the small case letter L. Is it L? No, very good. Is it L? No, na? Yes, this one is letter L. So we will match capital letter L with small case letter L. Now, our next letter is letter O. O sound O. So, we will match capital letter O with small case letter O. Like this. Our next letter is letter R. R sound R. R sound R. Now, find out the letter, small case letter R. Is it? Yes? Very good. So, we will match capital letter R with small case letter R. Our next letter is letter B. B sound B. Very good. B sound B. So, here only two letters are left. Which letter is this? Very good. It's a letter B, small case letter B, and this one is small case letter T. So what we will do? We will match capital letter B with small case letter B, and last we will match capital letter T with small case letter T like this. Now, in our next page, we have some more letters. So, first of all, we have letter M. M sound M. So, we find out the small case letter M. Where is the letter M, M, M? Here is it. Yes, it's correct. Is it letter M? No. It is letter S. So, where's the letter M? Very good. Here is it. So, we will match letter M with lowercase letter m. So our next letter is letter G, capital letter G. So what we will do? We will match capital letter G with small case letter G. So where is the small case letter G? Is it? It look like G. Yes. No, it's letter Q. So where is the letter G? Yes, here is it. So we will match letter G with small case letter G. Now, which letter is this? Who will tell? Kulnoor, which letter is this, beta? Yes, it's a letter K. And Kulnoor word is also start from letter K. So, we will match capital letter K with small case letter K, and capital letter K is just similar to small case letter K. Okay. Our next letter is letter S. S sound S. So we will find small case letter S and we will also match the same letter. Okay. Our next letter is letter J. J sound J. J sound J. We will find small case letter J in this row. Yes, here is it. So, J, capital letter J, match with small case letter J. Okay, now, Divanshi, you tell me which letter is this? Yes, it's letter D. And Divanshi word is also start from letter D. So now what we will do? We will find the small case letter D. Yes, here is it. So we will match capital letter D with small case letter D. Now Arav will tell me which letter is this. This is, yes, letter A. And Arab word is also start from letter A. है ना? Okay, so what we will do? We will match capital letter A with small case letter A. Like this. Okay, our next letter is letter Q. Q is also matched with their small case letter Q. So, we will match capital letter Q with small case letter Q. Okay, now, Hitat, you tell me, which letter is this? You know very well about this letter, है ना? Just because Hitat's name is start from letter H and this is the letter H. H sound H. So what we will do? We will match capital letter H with small case letter H. Like this. Okay. Now only two letters are left. Para. Which letter is this? Very good. It's a letter P. And in this row only this letter. Which letter is this? It's also letter P is left. So what we will do? We will match letter P with small case letter P. So my dear students, you can also do the same concept. Match the capital letters with their small letters. Do your homework on time and do your homework neat and clean. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.